5 hikers disappeared in the Rocky Mountains without a trace. Their last message? We're being hunted. What they found wasn't a mythical creature. It was something much worse. And the truth? It's been hidden for over 40 years.
He says he has proof that the Yeti, the abominable snowman of the Himalayas, is in fact real.
The old myth of the Yeti, fueled by those grainy photographs, the monstrous footprints, and our wild imaginations, might not be a myth.
Back in 1982, 5 experienced hikers set out to explore strange sightings in the Rockies. Locals called it the mountain ghost, a giant, hairy creature everyone believed to be the legendary Yeti. But just days into their trip, the group vanished. When rescuers found their camp, it was in shreds, tents ripped apart, claw marks on trees, and a single journal left behind. Officials called it a tragic accident. But here's the thing, what if it wasn't? Now, jump ahead to 2023. A filmmaker named Alan Reeves finds new evidence. Hidden caves, strange DNA, and a retired forest ranger who says he knows what really happened. Alan followed clues from the hiker's journal, which led to a cave in the middle of nowhere. Inside, bones, both human and animal, and a massive footprint. DNA tests showed something strange. The sample didn't match anything we know. Could this actually prove the Yeti exists? But here's where the story flips. That retired ranger, he drops a bombshell. The Yeti isn't real, but the fear it creates, that's very real. Turns out the hikers didn't fall victim to a mythical beast. They stumbled onto something even scarier, a hidden survivalist cult. This cult had lived off the grid for decades. They used the myth of the Yeti to scare people away. Those claw marks? Staged. The creepy howls? Recorded and blasted from hidden speakers. Even the DNA? It came from animals they spliced together in a lab. The hikers accidentally found the cult's hidden base, and the cult couldn't let them leave. They used the Yeti story to cover up what they did. But here's the question, why would anyone go through all this trouble? Fear blinds us, it controls us, and if used right, it can make us believe anything, even that a monster is stalking the woods. Alan's documentary exposed the truth about the cult, but just before it aired, Alan disappeared. His camera was found near that same cave, and the last clip? It shows a blurry figure in the fog, staring right at him. So, was it all a hoax, or is there something real out there? Fear thrives in the unknown. What would you have done in their shoes? Tell me in the comments. And remember, some mysteries are better left unsolved. The cult or the creature? What do you think is scarier? Let's explore fear together, one story at a time.